Tabi na, naka-lighting ball! Inay, naka-lighting ball! Bago! Naka-lighting bolt naman yan, oh!
Jump ball between Samson and Potenciano. Yep, yep. By Samson, Bundete, Tumago. Steal by Samson. Pass to Rusquata to Ramores. Ramores, quick net for two.
Pasikot! Pasikot!
Bago. To si Sayan. Simbol. Body Potenciano to si Sayan, quick net for two. Galliano to Reynancia to Rui.
Dahil kaya sa unis sa Saroka, daw sa basketball yung sa pulo at ang ilan. Ano mo yung basta?
Bago to Rusquata to Galliano. Simbol.
Gago bago.
Steal. Potenciano to si Sayan, hinahabol ang bala. Oh, naka.
Ayusin niyo.
Ramores. Ramores, jersey number 23. Torres Cuata. Steal by Carrascal. Carrascal guarded by Ramores. Carrascal. No good. Power rebound by Galliano. Galliano, no good. Power rebound by Sisayan. Sisayan, no good. Power rebound by Ramores. Foul Potenciano. First personal foul, first team foul.
Pusihan, baga dyan.
Ramores.
Pusi mayo. Nagmamailichak na naman siya, ano. Samsung taratakli na naman siya.
Inbounding Samson, pass to Galliano to Reynancia, Reynancia sa tres. Buwis-buwis siya rin.
Binalibol lang. Maglibero ka na lang.
Inbounding Potenciano to si Sayan. Si Sayan dribble the ball. Si Sayan to Potenciano, pass to Bonete, Bonete no good. Power rebound by Samson. Pass to Bonete, no good. Power rebound by Samson. To Galliano. Galliano, no good. Power rebound by Potenciano. To Mago. Mago. Block. Same ball. Last 1 minute and 42 seconds. Galliano, no good. Power rebound by Galliano to Reynancia. Reynancia to Rusquata to Ramores. To Roan. In net for two. Steal. Reynancia. Connect for two.
Sabi yung loud dyan na sa pulo, ah. Lalaw ka na. Gusto mo boxing mo yung karo yan?
Mago. Turnover. Time out. From the side of Pulo Isasaro.
Kapalingan mo ko yan, Gio.
Official running score 2 against 9. 7-point lead. Basketball letters.
Kami kayo, San Gatos.
Galliano.
Pino mo pa din.
Same ball.
Hindi ka mag-tide sa Kuya Rider ha. Gustong magkawat, anak ka jersey si bata. Putang ina. Laog mo si bata mo.
On that one, contact for two.
Okay lang naman.
Ano yun? Enter Purok ang mini kids.
Ramones. To Reynansha, no good. Our rebound by Samson.
Nice one!
Contact for two, Samson. Si Sayan, last 32 seconds. Si Sayan, no good. Power rebound by Escuata to Galiano to Reynansha sa tres. Patay ka dyan.
Init! Nice good, Joe!
Last 19 seconds, shot lock off. Potensyano to si Sayan. Si Sayan nakalusot. Si Sayan. Turnover, last 10. Last 10. Galiano turnover. Last 8.9 seconds.
Kakat ka lang siya lang. Kakat ka lang manok. Ito ang yan.
Inbounding Potensyano to Mago. Last 5. Buzzer na lang. Beginning for the second quarter. Bahagi halata. Inbounding Potensyano to Carrascal. No good, power rebound by Bella. Bella to Canyelas. Canyelas connect for two.
Pasikat! Ay!
Odias. Pass to Carrascal. Steal by Hertes. To Canyelas. Pass to Matundan. Matundan. Connect for two.
Pasikat din yun!
Si Sayan. Oh, turnover. Bounding Ambrosio, pass to Matundan. Jersey number 23. Matundan, pass to Bella. It's under running violation.
Pasikat ka din! Pasikat!
Inbounding Potensyano, pass to Odias. Odias, dribble the ball. Foul, first personal foul, first team foul.
Hanip sa akin.
Inbounding Potensyano to Odias. Pass to Bonete. No good. Power rebound by si Sayan using the glass board. No good. Power rebound by Carrascal. Contact for two. Carrascal.
Pasa!
Canyelas pass to Ambrosio. Ambrosio foul. Potensyano second personal foul. First team foul.
Pasikat din ka! Naka-nudis ano?
Contact for one, Mr. Ambrosio.
1-0.
Numbers ready. Complete free throw for
Hoy,
Mr. Ambrosio, jersey number 19. Odias, two-point shot on the good for rebound by Carrascal, foul, who's foul ref? Ambrosio, first personal foul, second team foul. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Ended up good. Last row jumpers ready. Power rebound. Carrascal, no good. Power rebound by Carrascal again. Contact for two. Canyelas to Bella, no good. Power rebound by Bundete to Sisayan. Foul. Who's foul red? Number ano? Ambrosio. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Jersey number 10.
Contact for one, Sisayan. Jumpers ready. Stevie on the line. Ay, taring dosun ba nga? Sorry. Bounding Ambrosio pasok Canyelas. Canyelas to Ambrosio to Bella. Bella umikot. It's a traveling violation.
Pasikaw! Ikaw nga wala kayo dyan, Saro!
Jo.
Odias dribble the ball. Odias pass to turnover. Last 1 minute and 51 seconds before the end of the second quarter. Last 1 minute and 51 seconds. Matundan, no good. Power rebound by Carrascal. Carrascal to Odias, no good. Power rebound by Hertes to Matundan. Pass to Bella to Canyelas. No good. Power rebound by Sisayan. Guarded by Hertes. Carrascal steal by Canyelas. Last 1 minute. Foul Potenciano, third personal foul, second team foul. Last 58 seconds. Last 58 seconds. Next for one. Last 50. Bonete connect for two. Bella to hold power rebound by Odias to Bonete. Bonete connect for two. Matundan connect for two.
Pasikat!
Sorry, Sisayan. Last 10 seconds. Last 5. Foul Sisayan. First personal foul. Third team foul. Official running score 16 against 24. Last 4.2 seconds. Connector 1 for Lucky Matugdan. Jumpers ready. Well then. Buzzer na lang. And off there.
Stop.
Bounding Reynancia to Ramores to Samson. Samson, traveling violation. Mago, pass to Lunop, to Potenciano, to Bonete. Foul Potenciano, warning for foul out, first team foul. Substitution, Potenciano out, CC Sayan is checking in. Dito, ikaw na daw kung anong hinanaing ni. Merindalan daw. Galliano, connect for 2. Connect for 2 ulit eh.
Maduga pa.
Too good. Power rebound by Samson. Samson, no good. Power rebound by Sisayan. Sisayan, binababa ang bola. Sisayan, 100 for 2. Official running score 20 against 27. 7-point lead. Resquata to Ramores. Ramores, connect for 3. Luno, pass to Sisayan. Sisayan, no good. Ramores. Ramores to Mago. Mago. Steal by Samson. Samson to Galliano. Galliano, connect for 2. Mago, pass to Bonete. No good, rebound by Rusquata. Rusquata, jersey number 21. Pass to Ramores, to Rusquata, to Reynancia. The triple R, no good. Rebound by Bonete. Bonete to Mago. Mago to Carrascal. Guarded by Samson. Carrascal, connect for 2. Sign out. Reserve.
Grand partner na yan. 9.
10 ano?
Mag-graduate na ba yan?
Dito eh. Ano daw? Chibog. Wow. Sabi na. Steal by Galliano. Ready to shoot. Samson, no good. Pascal to Sisayan. 10 alamang. 32, 22. Last 1 minute. Galliano foul, Bonete timeout from the side of Uno Isa Saro. 24-1 for Galliano. Jumpers ready. For the basketball rebound. balik free throw. Si Sayan dribble the ball. Si Sayan pump. Luno pass to si Sayan, no good. Power rebound by Galliano. Last 35 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Nangitlog.
Diba? Last 29 seconds. Si Sayan to Carrascal. Carrascal, no good. Carrascal again. Connect for two for Mr. Carrascal. Rosquata. Last 10 seconds. Turnover. Ganda ko. Sampu pa rin ang kalamangan ng basketballeros. Bonete. Tugu tayo sa kay si Sayan. Buzzer na lang. Sinky versus Matugang Bowlers. Asikaso.
Sino nanalo kahapon? 20 tapos matug. Ay, nung isang araw. Asan ba na?
Connect for two.
Basta ano lang.
Oh, good. Power rebound by Bonete to Potenciano to si Sayan. Si Sayan connect for two.
Score!
30 against 34.
Stop!
4-point lead. Bella to win. Foul, counted foul. Bella, second personal foul. First team foul.
Ayun, Velas! Basog ka pa din! Ay, go!
33.
Score ya!
33. 37. Squad ano go to rebound by steal by Rosco. What a Reynancia to win. Last 2 minutes in 55 seconds before the end of the game. Matundan to Reynancia, no good. Power rebound by Potenciano to si Sayan to Bonete. Connect for two. Counted foul! Ay, not counted. Bonete, second personal foul. Second team foul. Inbounding Reynancia, pass to Matundan sa ilalim. Connect for two. Steal by Rosquata. Connect for two. Rascal spin move, pass to Bonete sa ilalim. Connect for two. Official running score 37 against 44. Sige. No good, Bella. No good. Other rebound by Cañelas to Rosquata. No good. Other rebound by Rosquata again. First quarter, no good. Other way round. By Carrascal to si Sayan. Si Sayan, no good. Reinancia, last 1 minute and 25 seconds. Foul Cañelas. Time out.
Bakit si Samson ang pumasok? Serte sa pinapapasok ko.
Last. One minute and 21 seconds. Matundan. Pass to turn over. Ito, yan sa tuna. Gutom na si Melvin. Yung height na yan. Time out! Uno.
Ayun. Naraot yun.
Rescuata. Connect for 2.
Kaliwete yan eh.
Si Sayan, wiggle shot, our rebound by Cañelas. Last 45.
Oras. Ay, baril yun.
Last 40. 14 to shoot. Matundan, connect for 2. So good, our rebound by Samson. So good, Cañelas, connect for 2. Last 23. Last 20. No good.
Shot.
End of the game. Winner. Basketballeros. This player of the game, Mr. Ray.